Yo, listen up, guys. I've got some really important update for you guys today. Yes, yes. This update is really gonna help you. Like, if only you could do what I'm about to share with you on this video. And trust me, whatever thing that I'm bringing to this very channel is actually a thing that I've, tried it. Maybe not in a big way, but the small way that I've actually, engaged it, it has really helped me, right? So that's the reason why I decided to bring it to you guys here on my channel today. And what is this, guys? Welcome back to my channel today. My name is Aloysius. If this is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube, like as usual, make sure you do like, make sure you subscribe. This is a trading channel. I always come here to share my knowledge, and now, I always come here to share the knowledge that I have about the market. You feel me? The ups and downs that I've been experiencing, the little result that I was able to achieve as well. I'm just trying to grow like every other person here. So I came here to share the knowledge that I have about the market, what I know that it could potentially help somebody out there. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube, do it to like, do it to subscribe, and follow for more. Right, so what's this thing, guys? Now, if you check your trading, okay, if you check the strategy that you use, you check the currency pair that you actually trade, there are those ones that actually align with your strategy. Okay, I know you know how to trade, but sometimes there are some trades that you lose, you shouldn't have lose. Okay, I know that nothing is certain in the market, but try to implement this thing that I'm about to share with you guys today. So if you go and you check those trades, check your your data, the trade that you have taken so far, check those pairs. There are pairs that are actually aligned with the strategy that you actually use to trade. That whenever you take this trade, like there is 80% chance of you winning those trades. If you check, you could see that you have been winning those trades on those pairs. But whichever time that you're trying to implement this same strategy in other pairs, you always turn out to be something different. Okay, you either break even the trade or you lost the trade. Okay, meanwhile, if it is on those pairs that actually align with your strategy, let's say you're using break and retest, support and resistance like me, and you find out that whenever you use it on those pairs, I'm not talking about those that trade ICT and SMC. No, I only use price action. Okay, so I can only tell you based on my experience. Let's say you're using break and retest, because this is like more of general strategy that people actually use when it comes to price action. Okay, supply and resistance, supply and demand. Okay, so let's say you're using those strategy. If you check, you will see that there are some pairs that you trade and that you always win them whenever you take those trades on them, and there are equally pairs that you trade and you lose them. So you're going to ask yourself, those ones now, why is it that it's not actually working? If you cannot be able to figure out what's the problem, if you ask me, I will tell you that you should not even ask, because this is what I do. You shouldn't be asking yourself or bothering about what is actually happening or going on. Since your strategy is actually working on those pairs, okay, what you're going to do is to filter those ones that are not actually working, that does not actually align with your strategy. Instead of you jumping up and down looking for where to find another strategy that you can actually be using to trade, I would advise you that you should just take those pairs. Like I explained on my last video, there are just few pairs. It's not up to 8 that I actually use that they align with my strategy. That in a week, sometimes if I'm patient enough, I will catch like 3 winning trades. Okay, 3 winning trades. All right. So you could do the same thing. If you have never watched that my last video, it's gonna really help you. Okay, because I actually break a lot of things down, and those pairs, how you can actually capitalize on top. All right, how to actually get a sniper entry. So the video is actually the last one before this one. You can actually go through it and watch it. So another thing is this: if you are used to GBP USD and Euro USD, those are the most traded pair in the market. GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, so there are other pairs that actually do like that, such as USD CHF. Okay, so you find out that you enter this trade during the London session in the morning. You enter this trade here, you actually finish setting up your chart, and you are just waiting for the market to align with your setup, so that you can actually take your trade and set up your take profit. And time actually came, and this is London session. You are not against your your trading session. You're actually on the right time, and you are doing the right thing at the right time. Okay, you've got your confirmation and everything, and you are set, and you just click on buy, and market started going to your direction, or sell, as the case may be. Okay, market started going to your direction, and it's like let's say, like, because market can actually move in let's say 15 minutes, and you can actually go and hit your take profit if there is much volume in the market, right? So but market take time to actually be climbing, and it was going up, it was heading to your take profit, and all of a sudden, let's say like 8:30, because I've actually observed it most time, when this thing I'm about to explain happen is around 8:30 or 9 or after 9 thereabout, a.m. in the morning, Nigerian time. All right, I'm from Nigeria. Okay, so market is actually moving gradually and is actually heading to your take profit. All right. So, but you find out that during this time, a candlestick, a sell candlestick, let's say it's a buy scenario we're using in this case. A bearish candlestick just formed and started going down. sorry about that, guys. You know, this from my experience. I can't. That's why, like, it's funny, guys, because I've already discovered the tricks that these people actually use to, you know, to scare new traders away. All right. So I have been a victim of this. This is the reason why I'm telling you. Okay. So you find out that during this time, a bearish candlestick, you know, market has been heading towards your direction, but during this time, a candlestick just formed and started coming down. Bro, it's as if it's coming to, you know, to come back to your entry point. It's as if it's going to actually hit your stop loss. And you see that this trade has not gotten to your take profit, and he has never moved much. Why should you be taking profit by this time? Okay, and you trust your strategy, everything is working. Okay, and you are just wondering, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Relax. I'm about to tell you something that is going to blow your mind. Okay, this is what we usually do. I don't know if this market manipulation, you know, those market makers, they actually know that new trader, they will be scared and they will tend to get out before the actual big move will occur. All right. So what you're going to be doing in this kind of thing is this: ensure that, you know, you take, you know, you're conscious of the risk that you are taking. Okay, the amount that you are willing to lose is actually the amount that you're actually staking on the trade. All right. So when you are risking those trades, when you are risking those amount of money in the trade, and you open those positions, and such a thing happen, you don't have to break even your trade, except the market has gone, let's say, like 26 pip or 25 pip. Okay, so in this case, I always see when market get to this level, whenever it just came down like that, it doesn't normally go up that far again, unless you are going to give it time, and it's going to make you to stay longer in that trade. And me, to be honest, I don't like spending much time in my trade position. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this: just set your stop loss and set your take profit, and allow the market to play out. So what I do is this on my own. So when I take this trade, because I have mastered it, this is what you're going to take your time to study. When market move at a certain level, let's say like a support level, market actually buy and it was going up, and during that time you sense that this is maybe few candlestick and that one just formed at that place, it just leave himself and just tanked down. You find out that market took time for you to get to that level, but when he wants to come down, he actually uses force to descend, almost hit your stop loss, or maybe your entry point, came back to your entry point. What it's actually doing is that they want to actually scare you away so that you get out of the trade. You be scared and you get out of the trade before the big move actually occurred. Trust me, this has happened to me many times. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys now. What you're going to do is this. Me, I normally I'm going to be sharing example of this thing because it actually happened today. That's why I said I'm going to bring it. So I'm not going to be showing you what I did not do. I'm going to show you an example of what I'm actually explaining, because it normally occurs. It normally occurs in the market, especially if you're trading GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD CHF, like I said before. Okay, so you're going to be taking your profit when you sense that this kind of thing is about to happen. You're going to take your profit. Okay, unless you are dealing with, let's say, a larger account that you can actually just calculate and everything, and you just set it up and you just leave it. Whenever I finish playing, it still go up, because once we are in a buy trend, you understand, once we are in a bullish trend, market tend to come down to scare people away before you actually move up. All right. So what I usually do, I'm still trading my account that I'm managing is not really a big account. Okay, so whenever market just give me, I don't normally leave the profit that I made to still come back to loss. Okay, this is part of my rule. It might not be what you are doing, but I'm telling you, this is how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my profit there when I sense that it's about to come down. Okay, so whenever it come down, maybe let's say it come to like 0.5 fib retracement level. Okay, so I'll be taking another entry from there. Whenever market give me a sign that it's actually going to start making that big move, you understand, I'm still going to buy. Remember, I've taken my first take profit. I've taken my first profit in the morning during that time. So whenever market just dropped to that level again, so it might not come back to the initial level that I actually buy in the beginning, but it will come to any of those 0.618 or 0.5 fib retracement. Okay, so whenever market come to that level, I'll just take my buy as the case may be, or sell. If I take those trades, then you see that that one is going to go more, like it's going to travel more than the previous one that I've taken. Okay, this is the thing that they do. You're going to give your time to this. I'm going to be explaining it on my chart. Please, guys, you have to watch this video to the end, because I know it's truly going to help you. Because maybe you have never experienced this, but it is time for you to actually pay attention to it. Most of us, we don't really even understand what we're doing, but we're just trading. Okay, but if you can be paying attention to all these things, it will be like, this is the knowledge that you're actually gathering. Okay, so you know how you'll be positioning yourself. You have to be smart in the market. All right, we are retail traders. We don't really have big money to to drive the market, so we just align with whatever thing that they are doing, and we just make our profit and we get out of the market. All right, you take a trade. When you actually take a trade and it went up, and you are hoping for it to get to your take profit before you take it, when it reverses down and you are not patient enough to wait for it to go up again, what's likely to happen is this: market will come to that level. Sometimes it may not even go up again. That's the reason why you shouldn't allow the profitable trade to turn to a losing trade. Okay, so when it comes down again, you are likely to break even. It will come and stop you at break even and still go up without you. That's a very painful, sometimes it's painful, right? It has happened to me. This trade, I didn't plan to break even, but because of how it is, he has moved and he has given me an opportunity for me to take some profit, but I did not. So I locked it at break even. It still came back and take the break even out and still went up. All right, so I'm going to be jumping on my chart right now. I'm going to be showing you just a little example on USDCHF that happened today. Okay, so that you can actually learn from what I'm about to share. And make sure you like this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more. That is, what I'm sharing here is actually helping some people out there. I was really impressed. The last video that I made, it reached certain amount of people here and actually gotten some many subscribers. And I thank you guys that are watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. This is the only way you can actually support me in this my little channel, so that I can actually grow. Trust me, if you subscribe to my channel, it's really gonna help me. It's really gonna go a long way. Okay, so you can actually drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about what I actually share with you guys? And you like the video, and you give me a follow, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I also have a Telegram channel. The link is in the description. If you like to be a part of my community, I always come to my setup there before I actually take them. Sometimes I post it after taking those trades. Okay, so if you actually want to be seeing the way I analyze the market, my chart, so that you can actually be taking advantage of the setup that I'll be posting, the link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is what I was actually explaining to you guys today. As you can see, the market is actually buying already. So if daily time frame, okay, we have our daily time frame. I actually plotted out these my fib retracement, because I know it was gonna turn from any of these levels, and lo and behold, that's what market actually did. So if you go to my 4-hour time frame, you can see what is happening there. Beautiful. You can see market was actually ranging from this level, came to this level, came down all the way to this level. I actually buy from here. He actually buy from here and went to this support level and declined. So when market declined from this level, I know that it was gonna come down again before it goes up. So quick one, let me explain a little thing right here. So here you can see that there's support here. There's actually a support here. Market came there, bounces off, and went up. So it declined. It formed this gravestone doji that is at this point, guys. So when I saw this, I know that this market is gonna come down from this level. So it's gonna get to this level before it actually buy. So it's unfortunate that I lost trade yesterday, but this was the setup that I was waiting for. But before that SND trade actually came, so I actually bought but sold, so I lost the trade. All right, so but this one actually did what I expected by coming to this very level, and once it came to this level, it started this bullish move. You can see is that bullish move that actually get to this level. So the following day, which is today, as you can see, my session break is there. My session break, this is the trade that happened yesterday, so this one is today. All right, so the market get to this level today. When market open, it started dropping, started coming down. So you always draw your fee from the swing low to the swing high. Okay, and if it's a sell, you draw from the swing high to the swing low. All right, so I took this for this last week of this bearish candlestick. So I took it to the highest level of it, which is this swing high here. Our market actually declined from there, and I was expecting it to move from this level, any of those level that is here. As you guys can see, this is 0.382, this is 0.5, this is 0.618. So the one that this market actually buy from is this 0.5. okay, so this 0.5 market actually, when you get to this level, it actually triggered me in and it started buying. after some noises that he make at this place, but I know this was what he was gonna do. Okay, so I was just patient and waiting for it to occur. So he came and triggered me in, and he started buying. He started going up from here. He started going up. When this market was going up, I was really happy, and it's not as if I'm happy, but when you actually analyze and market played out, that is kind of joy that you be. Okay, so market actually going up from here, and I was kind of happy. And if you scale down to 1 hour time frame, so that it can actually be much clearer to you guys. Okay, so look at what happened. Look at that level that I told you, 0. Yeah, 0.5 fib retracement. All right, look at it, 0.5 fib retracement, and market just started buying from there. Okay, it started buying from there, even though it actually declined from here. It seems as if it was gonna sell, but it did not happen like that. It started buying from there, so it get to this level, it started declining. You guys can see that it started declining. Remember how many hours? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 hours, okay, for this market to get to this level. And when that happened, it actually declined. It started coming down from there. It started coming down from here. So remember that the market actually, triggered me in from here. Market actually triggered me in from here, and it started buying. So it get to this level, and it started collapsing again. So this is what I'm actually explaining to you guys. You see, I actually lost this trade from here, but hadn't be I apply what I used to do, which is I just allowing it and doing other things that I'm doing, and whenever I finish, it still go up. Okay, but if you're a newbie, you will see that when market get to this level, this is already this is your entry, and when market cross to this level, you are already losing the trade. You are already on drawdown. But look at what happened after that. Market skyrocket to the upside. Okay, so look at what happened. This same 0.5 fib retracement, once he broke it, that was the place that he actually declined. Once he rejected, he started buying from there. He started buying from there and never turned back. And if you look at this, there is a pattern that I'm actually seeing here that could help you. There is a pattern that I'm actually seeing here, and this is a double bottom. Okay, this is a double bottom pattern. Look at it. All of them just happen at this support level, and it actually touches this 0.5 fib retracement. So this is my fib setting. You always give me much accuracy. You always give me much accuracy in the market. All right, so look at what happened. Market actually get to this level now. You see, meanwhile, this was the market that was actually declining in the morning, and if you see it around this zone, you say that this market was going to continue selling. You see that, but I know that this market was not going to sell, because come on, bro, we are actually bullish on this trend. Look at it. We're actually bullish. All these things, I actually analyzed them before I took this trade. So I know it was just a manipulation, but unfortunately, I break even and when I shouldn't. Okay, because this market has not even gotten up to, it has not even gotten up to 20 pip. I think. Let me measure it. Beautiful. This is just 10 pip. Okay, this is just 10 pip, and I actually break even, and so it came down and take me out, and it's going up. And believe me, this market is actually gonna break this resistance that is here at this point. It's gonna break it, or you may just come and test this neckline that is here. This is the double bottom, so there is a neckline that is at this point. You may just come and test it before you broke it here, and you continue going up. So guys, this is what I have to share with you guys today. I hope you're able to learn from my mistake, and I hope you're able to learn a new things, guys. Like this thing is real. If you practice it, you know that what I'm telling you here is it's not just a story. It's something that that is real. So guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.